Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Chago, and coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, guys, consider subscribing, like, comment and share. Let me greet you by saying that good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, good night, depending to the time that you are going to get this amazing content of mine. And my contents are always meant for you guys. Today it is a Sunday, guys. It is a Sunday actually, and it is 23rd of February, guys. The month is almost coming to an end, guys, as you can see, but we thank God for being merciful to us by providing for us, by giving us good health, guys. We thank God a lot and a lot. So today I've got an amazing content which is always meant for you guys, so keep following, keep tuned, guys, until the end. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe my channel. That is a way of supporting me. And also comment, guys, like and share, and by so doing I will really appreciate, guys. Yeah, and God will bless you abundantly. So keep tuned, guys, keep following until the end. So today I am well prepared, guys. I am well prepared. So guys, here in Africa, we depend on some things that may benefit us, guys. So as you can see here, I am at this is the place where we normally put what we call cow dung. And I think you know very well that cow dung, when it decays, it is a very good local manure, guys. Yeah, which is natural manure. So I want to go and put the manure. I apply the manure at the shamba, at the garden, I mean. Yeah, but we normally call it shamba in Swahili. But it is garden or farm. So today that's the work that I'm going to do. So here, as you can see, I have got my spade here, and this is a jembe, and this is a basin. A basin is for carrying, and the jembe, I dig the manure. Now this is decayed manure, guys. It is not fresh cow dung. It has now changed from being cow dung to what we call manure. Yeah, when it decays, that's how it is. It looks like, that's how it looks like when it decays, guys. So here, as you can see, you can see how it has decayed until it turns the color, guys. And this one, it is now ready. It is ready to be taken to the farm than the other one. When you take that one, when it has not decayed, you find that there is a way that your plants may start doing what? May start rotting. They rot and they can't give you good yields, or you cannot harvest, guys. So let me put it inside here. It has compost until it is well, guys. When it composts, that's how it looks like, guys. And it gives us easy time if you don't have money to buy artificial fertilizer. You just use this one as a fertilizer, guys. You just use this one.
Okay, so
guys, I think it's enough. The basin is full. So I have got my piece of cloth here so that I may not make my hair dirty, guys. I have to tie it with a piece of cloth.
terus yung mana ko mati.
I have now covered my head. So guys, let's go. Come with me, guys.
Traigo todo. Eso como, esto está. Tataya uwe kibe kenen. Chikutembe this process yan.
So guys, come with me as I'm going to the farm. It is a big farm, but we are almost reaching, guys. We are almost reaching. So guys, we are now at the garden. This is our garden. We are at the garden now, guys. So you can see we had already prepared the beds. These are the beds, guys, here, and these ones here downwards. There are those ones that are downwards, and this one is prepared across. It runs across, guys. So we had already prepared the beds or the nurseries. I can either call them the nurseries or the beds. And the main reason of preparing the beds, you know, when you just come with soil together and you create the bed, you find that the water cannot dry. It cannot dry easily from the soil, guys. So you find that this this act of preparing beds, yeah, the soil holds water. So you find that the plants, when you plant, they do not lack water. You find that there is enough water in the ground, guys. So that's why we can't just plant it. We can't plant it. How can I say?
That fast.
When the land is flat this way, like here, you have to prepare the beds, guys. So I want to show you how we can put this bed, the manure. We apply them on top of the top of the beds. We apply on the top. So I need to plant what we call vegetable, guys. Green vegetables. That's what I want to plant, guys. So tomorrow I may come with the seeds of the vegetables, guys, and plant them, guys. So when these such plastics are found in the shamba, you find that they carry away the nutrients. The nutrients are removed away, guys, by the what? By such plastics, guys. So let me apply. I'm applying it so that when it reaches tomorrow, if it is going to rain. Now I am preparing it because of rain, but when it rains midnight or in the night, I will come tomorrow and plant the seeds. You normally work to eat, guys. You have to work so that you may find food. Oh. Minus that, guys, you will beg until the people can wonder, huh? What kind of a human being? Yeah, you have to put more effort for you to have at least something to put in the stomach. something to sustain you. Yeah. So guys, I think you can see the planting that I planted in the previous day. It has now germinated. This shows the way of it has now germinated. You know, this one cannot dry easily because it holds a lot of water, guys, even if it is a dry season. So this one shows that it has germinated now. It has germinated. So my work, I normally do good work, guys. So it marks the end of my video. It marks the end of my video actually. And tomorrow is another day. We will meet in the next video, guys. Don't dare to watch, guys. Make sure you click to my videos day by day, guys, so that you may create views, guys. And by so doing, I will really appreciate, and God will bless you abundantly, guys. And do it wholeheartedly, guys, so that we may achieve something. I may achieve something. Yeah. Even you, when you do it, you will also achieve. God will bless you abundantly. So it is not for my own benefit. So guys, have a nice time. Have a nice day while watching, guys. Thank you for your time. Bye. Bye. Love you.